Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing an engine cover right over this little 1.5 liter turbo engine. Got carbon style on the side, the Honda logo, and the red. It's a Type R style cover, but it does look really nice. So let's get right into it. So if you guys want to switch things up and get an engine cover for your car, I did get this one from Primitive Performance Auto themselves. And I will have a link in the description and the comment section down below for you guys. But anyway, this is the engine soundproof cover for the 2016 and up Honda Civic from Primitive Performance Auto. Here are the tools that come with the engine cover. You get everything you need, and it's very easy to install. So let's get right into it. Before you're able to insert these bolts like I did here, you'll need to remove a 12mm bolt here, and the other two will be 10mm. So the first screw goes right in there on the side here. Just use your little washer for that one. And then here's where the second one goes. And once you get all these in hand tight, just make sure you guys use a wrench to tighten them a little bit more. So then that's where the third one goes here. So once you guys get all the screws in, make sure you take out the oil cap, of course, because you're going to put the cover over it and then put the cap back on. So here's what it looks like. Look how beautiful that thing is, glistening in the sun. Oh my gosh. And then you got all the heat shielding on the bottom, of course, and all the little holes that you need to line up. So let's line that up. And then once you guys get it all lined up, just push it down onto all of them. And it will look nice and beautiful and secure. So this engine cover just looks amazing in the engine bay. It's a game changer for the look of this engine bay. And then, of course, put your oil cap back in. Please don't forget that. And say that Revolve Auto did not tell you to put it back in, because I did. And there we go. Nice and tight. And it looks complete now. Alright, so here's the finished product. That beautiful carbon fiber style on the side. You can see where it's connected in on the bottom. But it is nice and sturdy. I've driven with it for around 2 weeks now and have had no issues. Makes your engine bay look so much better. Anyway, if you guys are interested, again, make sure to check it out from Primitive Performance Auto. I will have a link for you guys in the description down below. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.